Hello everyone, and welcome to this Digital Helper tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to reduce system data on your iPhone so you can free up storage space and improve your device's overall performance. Before we begin, you can check how much system data your iPhone is currently using.
Open the Settings app, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see System Data, which includes caches, logs, and other temporary files used by iOS. So, let's get started. Method 1. Clear Safari history and website data. Open the Settings app and tap Apps, then select Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose All Time if available and confirm the action. This removes cached website data, cookies, and browsing history, which can help reduce the amount of system data stored on your iPhone. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelphStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. Method 2. Refresh iCloud Photos, sync Open Settings, and tap your Apple account at the top. Select iCloud, then tap Photos. If you use iCloud Photos, turn off Sync this iPhone and follow the prompts. Afterward, turn the setting back on. Refreshing the photo sync process can help remove unnecessary cached photo data and may reduce system storage usage. Method 3. Offload unused apps. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. Review the list of installed apps and tap on apps you do not use frequently. Select Offload App. Offloading removes the app itself while keeping its documents and data. Reinstalling the app later can often clear temporary files and reduce storage used by system-related data. Method 4. Delete old iOS update files. While still in iPhone storage, scroll through the list and look for any downloaded iOS update file. If you find an old update that has not been installed, tap it and choose Delete Update. Removing unused update files can free up storage and reduce unnecessary system data. Method 5. Backup and restore your iPhone. If your system data remains unusually large, you can perform a backup and restore. First, back up your iPhone to iCloud. Then, erase your device and restore it from the backup. This is the most effective method for removing excessive system data because it rebuilds the operating system and clears many hidden cache files that cannot be removed manually. These methods can significantly reduce system data and help recover valuable storage space on your iPhone. That's it. You have successfully learned how to reduce system data on your iPhone.
If this tutorial helped you, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.